year back, 4th year, when we first came to school, we go to school, and we've been in many schools. But when we come here, few kids from our society already joined this school. And initial 4-5 days were difficult for us to send him to school. He is very naughty boy, always run here and there. It was difficult for us to make him ready for a school. After 4-5 days, things got cool and he started enjoying school. And after that, there's no looking back. Thanks to all the staff and supporting staff also to take care of our kids. So last 4 years, like I just want to add one thing in this, that sometimes surprise us as a parent. What he learned in school, it's very, as we're not expecting that they say he talk like this or he do things like that, or he just some parents that he teach kids to become creative after joining the school, and same thought we as a parent have. So thanks teachers and staff for all the things. Thank you.